Come and check out this American-style house. Lot area 200 square meters, floor area 250 square meters. 4 bedrooms, maid's quarter with toilet and bath, automatic car garage door, solar panel, balcony. Inside Tagaytay Country Homes 3. Very good location. The house looks small at the outside, but if you see it inside, it is big. Bedroom at the ground floor, which is senior friendly. High ceiling makes this house cool and spacious. For viewing appointment and other inquiries, call us. We are happy to serve you.